Aditya, I can see you. Can you hear me? Try again. Aditya, can you hear me? Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear you, Mr. Phillips.
Yeah, I can hear you also. Was wondering, Aditya, did your voice experience a change these 2-3 months?
Probably, yeah.
Oh, that's fine. You do sound different, Aditya. You do sound different. Right. But that is in a good change. This is not because of coughing or anything like that.
Yeah.
Ainesh, I can see you. Can you hear me?
Hello.
All right. Okay, Ainesh. So Aditya and Ainesh, we will simply continue from yesterday's Jamboard, yeah?
Okay.
So very quick update for Aditya first. Any math today at school?
Yeah, we had math today, and we did chain rule and the other one,
Do you
which I forgot what
mean
it's called.
there's 3 things: the product rule for multiplication, quotient rule for division, and a chain rule for onions, function in a function. So which one did you do?
We did chain rule and the multiplying one.
Chain rule and product rule happens to be the 2 most important one. The next one, quotient rule, are not very complicated and very obvious to apply. So do you have the oh, you're already here, right? Do you have anything new, any new homeworks, any things to do for today?
Yeah, we have quite a bit of homework actually,
All right.
and it's supposed to be hard. So
All right.
yeah,
Let's follow through that. Okay, Aditya. Right.
yeah. I'll
So
open up the gem real quick.
and can you use Jamboard? When I say Jamboard, yesterday we didn't use, yeah. So I was referring to the latest Jamboard, the 5th March Jamboard.
Yeah.
We'll use that. So Ainesh, I'm also opening your Jamboard yesterday. So any quick updates, Ainesh, for school?
Math is looking kind of scary. So if I want to do chemistry today, solve all my problems for like the next 2 weeks or so, then I just do math.
That would be nice. Right. Okay. Have you reread your Jamboard for redox and electrolysis?
Yeah.
I don't need to give you another 5 minutes to read.
I mean, you can give me like 2 minutes. I'll just quickly rush through, but I already read it.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. Right. Then we go hunt for questions.
Yes.
So, all right. I can see the homework numbers, Aditya. Let me confirm that you are in the same Jamboard. Yeah, you are. You seem to be up. Right. So I'm at page 7. So just follow you on that.
Yeah. Gotta pull out these questions real quick.
Right. Now, Ainesh, if you want to just screenshot the page that you are interested in into the Jamboard that we are using, that might be helpful. That's up to you. Yeah. Right. I will see you at page 4. Ainesh, there was yesterday's.
I thought I copied and pasted everything in the current.
You sure? We talk about the very important Jamboard regarding electrolysis yesterday. I go find it for you.
Yeah.
That long, well-written thing, right? if you don't want to copy paste, it's okay. Just keep it open next to this Jamboard lah. Also
No,
works.
I want to copy this. I quite badly want to copy. So everything is in one page.
Sure, but there is a weakness in Jamboard. If you copy and paste, you cannot copy and paste as a text kind of ish.
What?
That's a little bit of a weakness lah. You can. That's a weakness of Jamboard. You give it a try lah. You give it a try first lah. I assume that you want to copy and paste as text, not as picture lah.
Yeah, as text.
So they can add things. Give it a try first. If you cannot, I'll try to suggest something. Hopefully that works. Just checking, Aditya. I'm just waiting for you to show the homework. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just
do you know how to apply the multiplication thingy, the rule?
Yeah.
All
Our
right.
teacher
How about the
also
chain?
taught us like this supposedly easier method.
All right. Let me see that. Now, how about the chain rule? Chain rule is more important and more abstract. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. But that is very important. So we will want to get that straight. If you need more time, Ainesh, feel free, yeah?
Yeah, I'm putting it into the Jamboard.
Wonderful.
Okay. Got it.
I'm seeing some questions, Aditya. Good. You're putting it in page 9, and that is a good text. So Ainesh, put it next to the question that you are doing, because you can always move pages, right? You move it next to page 4, right? We shall do question 4 again. Right. Okay, Aditya, I see your questions, right? Question 1 to 4. All of the okay, a bit excessive, but okay. Aditya, can I just select a few for you for tuition?
Sure.
Right. So because
So
product
just 1
rule,
to 4.
because that's what your homework seems to. 1 to 2, 1 to 2. Yeah, still a bit excessive. So product rule, no need to practice too much, maybe 5 or 6. Chain rule, more important. Right? So I would like to dedicate some time to chain rule. I just select a few for you. One.
There's actually a few more on chain rule.
That would be nice to do lah. That would be nice.
There we go.
Yeah, good. Okay, so let me just see how you do this view for now. Ainesh, are you ready for page 4?
Oh, hold on. I'm trying to organize stuff.
Yeah, do your stuff. Oh goodness me! For your product rule, you will need your chain rule to be on good shape. So let's focus on the chain rule first. Yeah, Aditya. Aditya, do this one first. If you have trouble, tell
Yeah.
me immediately.
Just a sec.
Mhm.
Checking if I did the correct thing, because
Mhm,
kind
sure.
of different. Oh no, it's fine. It's the same thing. Okay. All good. Okay, I'll get to it.
So I will do 1A for you, just to show you the presentation also. The differentiation, right?
Oh wait, I figured it out. Oh, sorry.
That's good. No, that's good. No problem. No problem.
Blurred out
The
for a second.
presentation will start like that. Yes, that's fine.
Okay.
So I was writing something on.
Our teacher just taught us this different method where we do. Wait, let me see. Yeah,
That's totally fine.
where it's just like we differentiate the whole thing.
Mhm.
We like bring this down here, -1 here,
That's totally
times
fine. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
dy
go ahead.
by dx of this, which is like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Well, that would be 1. Right? I forgot the 9 in front. So sorry. Yeah, that's basically what I did. In a
Okay,
proper
yeah,
way,
I see it.
there is
Yeah.
no problem with you doing the longer way, at least at the start. No problem. You do you.
Okay.
You must get the hang of it, so to speak. And I would like you to get the hang of it. I'm not trying to rush you.
Okay.
Rushing this will lead to just more problems at the end. This is really like basic skill, very important.
Okay.
But I do want you to not do everything. I do want you to not.
Okay.
So I'm going to erase my 1A, okay? I'm going to erase my 1A. Since you seem to understand, so I'm just going to erase that. You can do it yourself. Just to confirm, Ines, you are still organizing stuff?
No, I'm looking for questions now.
Oh, no. Go to question 4, page 4. Oh, I have to keep repeating myself, right? This is the 4th time I say, go to page 4.
Oh, okay.
You're going to do experiment A. You haven't finished it yesterday.
All right.
Okay. You do what you think you need to do. I want to see what you think you need to do for experiment A.
Okay.
Yeah, Aditya, that's okay. That's fine.
No, udah. Jadi udah mandi. Udah betul.
Ines, based on what you have reviewed, based on your own notes, which are good. What do you need to do for experiment A?
Okay. See this.
So far, so good, Aditya. Your E is wrong, Aditya. Observe. Observe E, Aditya.
Mhm.
The 1 over 3 being a number never mattered. Leave it out of your business. Leave it out of your business. 1 over 3 does not matter at all. So 1 over 3 stays outside and we just do everything inside. Do you understand what I did?
Mm. Yeah.
Yeah, the way you do it, well, first of
This
all,
is too complicated.
no, it's actually wrong.
Oh.
It's actually, oh goodness me, no, yeah, no. Even the way you apply your index is like, no, it's just way off. Yeah, your E is currently way off. In the setup stage, it seems like you're trying to set it up, but the setup is not even done correctly. But more importantly than that, 1 over 3 never mattered. This is my message to you. Just kick it out, leave it outside, and then if you want to combine it later, that's okay lah. Like what I did, that's fine. Like keep it for later, something like that. Okay, if you understand, erase and do lah. Now, Inesh, I'm waiting for the competitors. Okay, who are the competitors for the right hand side?
Wait, didn't I already write it over here?
Yeah, and that's just still missing. Still missing. And compare, I can confirm that in your note it contains this information. So you're missing competitors for both the right hand side and the left hand side. Please list them down.
Okay.
Yeah, you okay?
Yeah.
Try not to do something else. Try not to do something else, Aditya.
Oh. Wait, Mr. Phillips, where did the... Oh, that's a D. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that'll be sorry, bad handwriting, but it's the D.
Oh, this is so confusing. And do I feel like I haven't?
Have you spot the missing competitor? Give him the right to compete, please. He is at least willing to compete.
Willing to compete.
You're missing one competitor at least from each side.
Or is it just copper?
Yes, put it down. It's Copper. Copper may be able to win, and he's willing to compete. Willing to compete. Now, you have listed down your competitor. At least it's the minimum list lah. Minimum list now. Decide who wins lah.
It's a copper wins both sides.
Finish. Stop comparing both sides. You have decided on the right side winner. Okay, good. Yeah. CU. Why would that be? I'm gonna read your decision to yourself, Ainesha. You decided that for the right hand side, CU will accept electrons. And he is the winner in terms of accepting electrons.
It doesn't make any sense.
It does not in whatsoever, but at least you realize that yourself. Last time, you will say that with confidence, and doesn't even realize that it doesn't make sense. So you are currently making progress. Now, select another winner. CU will never receive electron 1. Never. Like never, ever, ever, ever. That's theoretical, if I may say that. Select another winner.
Mr. Phillips,
Yes, Aditi.
may I go to the washroom?
Okay.
Thank
So
you.
Ainesh, now you have selected a new winner, H+. So why H+, why not Cu2+? You read your own reasoning.
Because H is on like the opposite side of the reactivity series, so it's likely to get
And
be forced.
in comparison, where is Cu2+?
Huh?
In comparison to H+, where is Cu2+ in the reactivity series?
Above. No, sorry, below.
Would you please draw your reactivity series, which is something that we have to read, right?
Hold on, then
Please.
it's Cu2 plus. Whatever. 1/3. But
Okay.
I always confuse copper and carbon. Because I always thought it's C.
At this point of your Sec4, no more. That's already not okay. I will be worried if you keep, continuing to confuse. So I mean, please don't. Please, okay.
Yeah.
Now for your negative for the left side competitor, okay, your winner will be CU. This is the winner for doing what?
For the right side or the left side?
Left side.
For gaining the electron. For losing the electrons.
You are telling me that SO4 2- will not lose electron.
Yeah.
And OH- will also not lose electron, but Cu, being the winner that you declare, will be the one who loses electron.
For sure, yes.
Now, describe the observation.
It was correct.
In experiment A. It is.
Yes.
Describe the experiment using English, because now you have the foundation to describe. This is your foundation, by the way. The observation is based on nothing else but the picking of the right winner and the reaction that follows. Describe the experiment observation of experiment A. Type, please, as in please type, because you're now using English.
Dua. Yeah.
Right, Aditya. Could you just show me the bottom one? Sorry, just the one. I want to see you. After E is L, right? Okay, right. Yeah. Just want to see what's L. Hey, you make one mistake. Just one mistake, but you did. Oh, goodness. Wait. Wait, what? Yes, you make one. Wait, what? You make half. Wait. What happened? Wait. You were doing very well. You were doing very well. You were doing very well, Aditya. Let me check. Everything is correct. Yep. Right. And therefore, the way you do this is totally fine. And this one is also fine. So I'll ask you to find your mistake here. There is one small mistake, and then suddenly here everything becomes bonkers. This one only one small mistake. Please find them. Yes. Yes, Ainesh, was it?
Oh, you're talking to me.
No, Aditya.
Oh, okay.
Your first observation is it's fine. It's fine. Now, how about your second one? At least write for the right side, right? At least lah, right? At least do something for the right side because you did something for the left side. So good and fair, but please be fair to the right side.
Right side.
No, Ainesh, right side. You,
Oh.
Aditya, you're seeing the Jamboard, right? I already written down something for you.
Yeah.
Jamboard, page 7. This guy, one small mistake, the bottom one bonkers. So fix the small mistake first. Yeah, there's a small mistake there, yeah? So go find it first. Ainesh, are you okay? Right side?
On the right side, there was the same winner.
No. I stopped saying that CU2 plus is same as CU.
Oh.
What will happen to CU2 plus?
It will become CU.
Is that the same thing with the left-hand side?
Oh, no. I was comparing it to the right-hand side of experiment B.
Which is fair lah. Which is fair.
Yeah.
They are the same. True, they are the same. That much is the same. So you cannot write that down in this question, but my question was just describe experiment A first lah. At least you're being
Oh, okay.
right.
Okay, but
right. So for Aditya, wait. Okay. Right. Okay. Aditya, now I'm going to show you your mistake first. What is the differentiation of x squared?
2x.
So where is there's a 2 there. Oh my goodness, there is a 2. Oh, you fixed it already, right? You fixed that already.
Yeah.
I'll keep the 4 outside. I'll keep the 4 outside, and actually I'll put the 2 out. I think that is even better. Okay. Although putting the 8 in doesn't seem to matter much, but I will do the reverse, putting the 8 out in. Okay. Right. Other than that, it's fine. Okay. Okay, good. Please try the next. I'll go to the next Jamboard. So Ainesh, are you done with writing? Because I want you to do more electrolysis questions.
no, because I'm trying to find out what the second observation would be. I can write it out, but I want to answer the question.
Right. So now, this is something that you may need to add, right? You may need to add. Even though you say that it is the same as experiment B, it is not the same. This one. Because the CO2 plus gets used up very quickly in experiment B. Do you understand what I'm saying so far?
Mm-hmm.
The CO2 plus in experiment A do not get used up. Why?
Because the Cu becomes Cu2 plus. Oh,
So it is very considerably different.
that is crazy. Okay.
And you do need to know this and write it down.
Let me write this down.
The used up trap is, I'll just call it a trap. It's actually a very fair knowledge. It's that some people don't pay attention to it. But that knowledge could be basic. Right? So I hope you will have it, for example.
Mm.
Aditya, are you stuck with 2C so far?
Slightly, but I think I can figure it out.
Right. Although I'm not rushing you, I do want you to be fast, so I'll give you around 3 minutes to work it out, right? 3 minutes. If not, I will show you lah. I'll show you. You still have other questions to practice, no? Right? Wait, Ainesh, where are you writing it? What?
On the left text box.
You can add it to the notes that you made lah. You can do that.
Oh yeah, I could. Yeah.
I think that's just better. I mean, this is just a question that we do. We want to add it to the collection that you have, right? What you're writing is basically correct. The presentation will be improved, but that doesn't matter, right? Your understanding matters, right? Now, that is good. Aditya, one simple question. Do you worry about the 5 or do you leave the 5 out of your business?
Leave the 5, right?
Leave the 5 out of the dy dx. Just combine that 5 later in the process, so to speak. So you only worry about the remaining. Power minus 1, please. Where's your power minus 1?
Oh yeah.
So it becomes what? Power minus 2, right?
Oh yes.
Power minus 2 with the minus 1 in front. Like you're not doing all that. Right? The minus 1 in the front, the power become minus 2. Right? And then differentiate the thing inside, which you're now left with.
It becomes -3.
Yes, wonderful. And that will be the correct answer. Just simplify everything.
Okay.
Are you adding?
I was overthinking.
Right. Do you have space to add stuff, Ainesh?
No, but that's okay.
Don't skimp on your sentence. Your own sentence seems to be important to you. So never mind. Just type what you want first. We'll figure out the space problem later. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You're leaving the 4 out. Good, Aditya, so to speak. Good. Good. I will leave them alone. Yeah, I will not do what you're doing, right? I will leave them exactly there. No need to
Oh, okay.
combine the 4, right? Your teacher may have a slightly different opinion, but in this case, it is more like an opinion instead of something that you have to do. In fact, I will actually kick the 2 out instead of putting the 4 in. I will actually do that. But that's also a matter of opinion at this case. Now, kindly do H. That shouldn't give you much problem. Checking Ainesh, are you done?
Yeah.
Do another electrolysis question or maybe also a battery question. Go and find them. You have 2 minutes. Yeah.
Okay.
Has electrolysis started today, Ainesh?
Yeah.
Really? It has started?
Yeah, we just did like basic stuff.
Where are you right now, if I may know?
Do you remember the worksheet that we did some time ago?
No. What kind of worksheet is that?
It was like just 1 page of just like basic electrolysis reaction. Oh, oxidation reduction.
Oh, I mean, it's redox. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, redox, yeah. So she used that as introduction and then she taught us like what electrolysis is, where oxidation reduction happens.
Right. So when your teacher is talking about electrolysis, pay attention to the things that you have not learned from this tuition. There'll be 1 and 2 here and there. Just pay attention. There won't be much, but there will be. Okay, and you will be needing them. Right? But most important stuff are here. Any trouble looking for another question?
A little bit, but I think I can find.
Write a different paper or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, your H is fine. Your H is fine. Your A is fine, right? So don't think you have much trouble here. Yeah. If you could move up from here. Ganesh, any questions to find?
Okay, I found one, but it has platinum cathodes.
Right. If you do not know what to do with that, let's add to your note lah. If you have platinum, it's just the same as having graphite for all intent and purpose. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Okay, sure.
So what does that mean in terms of competitors?
It's not a competitor.
Very good. Would you please write that down and then do the question?
All right, I've put it in page 6.
6 would be nice. Yeah, Aditya, a good setup. A good setup. Yeah, a good setup. You should be able to do it easily. Important question for you, Ainesh. Are you sure this is electrolysis?
I just saw the setup.
My question is very honest and serious. Like, how are you sure this is electrolysis?
I saw the setup. I think it does. I think it is electrolysis.
Why?
Or battery, either one. But
There's a battery.
no,
Okay.
there isn't. There isn't. No.
There is no battery here. Now I'm worried. Now I'm very worried. There is no battery here, serious. You sure or not there's no battery here? Looking at page 6 here. Yeah, looking at page 6, right? Yeah. Are you sure that there's no battery in the setup? Hello, hello. Oh, okay. Now I'm worried. Now I'm worried. What is the guy here? Who's that? Who's that?
Battery.
So is there a battery or not?
Okay, yeah, there is.
Okay, fine. So is this electrolysis or do you need to look
Yeah.
at something else? It
It's
is.
battery.
Just because of battery, I'm reading out your thinking. Just because you have a battery, this must be electrolysis. That's how you think. Am I correct?
I mean, it's in the topic, yes. It could be
Right.
electrolysis, it could be battery, but it's in the topic.
Yeah, a battery doesn't contain a battery, if that makes sense.
Okay, yeah.
If that makes sense, right? Okay. So try to do this. I do expect you to do the set of working that I come to expect out of you. Electron flow, competitor, who wins?
Okay.
Aditya, it seems well, I guess that's fine. Yeah, looks good to me, Aditya. It looks good. Looks good. Any question, Aditya?
No, not really.
Four is really just it's just another warm up for you. I'm now curious about your product rule. Now curious about product. This is useful as for homework, right?
Sorry?
This is homework, right? So like, do you have to rewrite things later on?
I mean, I'll just fill in the blanks of the questions that I didn't do.
All right, that will be, I think, better lah. Yeah, not a waste of time.
Like, I'll just do it on a separate page.
If
Like,
that's okay with your teacher lah, that's okay.
He checks, but he doesn't check. Like, it doesn't matter to him.
That you don't do it enough.
If it's, yeah.
Oh, that's quite nice of him. That's quite nice.
Because, like, some people have already finished this whole exercise because they do it in tuition and they do nothing else in class. So, and it doesn't really matter to him because as long as they do it.
You did do it and you understand lah. He's quite relaxed that way lah.
Yeah.
Good. That's reasonably nice. Yeah, the UIDX is fine. And is you okay?
Yeah, I'm typing.
I'll go get some drink. Yeah?
Okay.
Ainesh, who wins?
Yeah, I'm typing.
All right. Aditya seems okay. Everything seems okay so far. Yeah, seems okay. Right. Now product rule, right? Do you need me to repeat for you product rule, Aditya?
No need actually. Like I have the note next to me if I need it.
Wonderful.
This one's a bit more complicated though.
Is there any rule for OH minus?
Apologies, I was muted again. Sorry. Would you please repeat your question?
Is there any rule for OH minus? Because I see Cl minus OH minus.
Let me check your note, yeah? Blah, 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 blah. Okay, maybe not, but this is before all the complicated stuff lah. So your teacher will teach it that way. Whoever is more will win. Now, I would like you to focus on the word dilute. They purposely put dilute here. Dilute doesn't mean aqueous. The opposite of dilute is what, Ainesh?
Concentrated.
Correct. I
Oh,
hope you
that
remember
means
something like this. So who
let me
wins
see how
when
it
it is this and who wins when it is that lah?
I see.
Please put that into your notes.
Okay.
Choose your winner, your winner. Oh, goodness me. Hey, it's dilute. Dilute means what?
Oh,
Choose your winner properly.
Yeah.
Right. Then write down the name, gas X, ionic half equation, all those stuff, right? All those stuff. So just complete the question properly. Your basic knowledge is now correct lah.
Yeah.
Just have to write down lah. Right? Aditya, any problems so far? Your product is
No.
fine.
The audio is a bit
Wow,
funky
where
right
did
now.
you get -1? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where did you get -1 again? No, it's 1, right? I'm sorry, that's a 1, right?
Yeah, that's a really bad equal sign.
Yeah. Okay, seems fine. Yeah. What? Oh, yeah, that seems fine with me. Oh, my, you messed up at the last. Oh, okay. So, Aditya, sometimes it seems that the basic math is what messing you up lah. So your differentiation is cool and great. I like it. Like your product rule, everything is correct here. And then this totally messed up. Like this guy is totally messed up. And I am a little bit worried about this. The way you handle this thing, that's totally messed up. Give it a thought for a while. This is no longer a differentiation problem. It's more like a basic math problem.
Okay.
Ainesh, are you writing some?
Everything.
I am not seeing. Oh, you're adding it there. Okay. Now I'm waiting for your full presentation on the page 6. So,
Oh,
Aditya, right? Yeah. Aditya. Aditya, this is a plus, yeah? This is a plus. Right? So if
It's
it is
just
a
a plus.
times, what you did is correct, but that is a plus. That's not correct at all. What you're doing is basically
Oh yeah.
if that, yeah. So what can you do? You can do something, but this is not it. It's not it. You can do something. The half reaction would be nice. It seems that you do not know I don't think you know that reaction. So that worries me a little bit. You're going to write down the reaction in your note, yeah? So I have to write down for you.
no, I'm writing the reaction down.
You okay, let me see. Aditya, I will show you what you can do and please think about it. So
Just a second, Mr. Phillips.
mhm,
Something's wrong with my earphones.
right.
Just a second.
Wait, how do I write this? Hold on.
Yeah. So this is complicated, okay? So please observe.
Okay.
Ainesh, left-hand side OH minus, right-hand side O2. It's already a memorization that OH minus become oxygen. It is memorization.
Yeah.
I'm saying, right? But look at what I will add more. You can consider this memorization also. So OH minus will become both oxygen and water. Both. If you want to consider this as a memorization, then please do. Please do. Then you still have to consider whether there's an electron here or electron there. And you still have to balance also. I would like you to balance and consider the electron needs on the left and right hand side, please. Aditya, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
All right. Now, do you mute one, please? Thank you.
Yeah.
Do you know what to do?
Yeah.
See that? The balancing Ainesh and the electron needs, right? Oh, Aditya, wait, Aditya. Wait, Aditya. Look at what I'm doing here. So Now, this is probably a better final answer lah. But do you understand?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Did you do that?
Yeah.
Oh, right. That's fine. All right.
Okay.
The balancing is great. I like the 4, I like the 2, and I like the 1. The electron need is totally off lah, right? So the balancing is great. I like it a lot. I feel that the balance you shouldn't memorize. I feel that you should only memorize OH minus, H2O, and O2 lah. Then you balance 4 to 1. Excellent. Now the electron need is very simple, okay? Do you see any negative on the right-hand side?
No.
Do you see negative on the left-hand side?
Yeah.
There are 4 OH minus, so there are 4 negatives. It's not okay for the left-hand side to have 4 negative charges, basically, and the right-hand side to have, well, no charges at all. That's not okay. So you come in with the electron to balance things out, the charges. Let me see your charge balance. Now you're putting 4, you're saying that 4 negative charge on the left-hand side, and okay, there you go. Now you're correct. Put this in your note, yeah?
Can I go to the toilet real quick?
Yes, please. Nitya, are you stuck?
Kind of. Oh wait. I'm just.
Yeah, because
Never
you
mind.
learned that to separate the yeah. I mean, when you do that, then things should be easy, lah, right? And then you stop the you're in this. Oh, goodness me, no, wow. You're in these basics are really kind of like not good, right? You cannot do what you did just now. Leave the tree out. No explanation so far, but that's not doable. I don't know. Yeah, no, don't do that. Don't do that. All right, now do your u and du, dx, dv, dx, and you should be fine. Mitch, are you back? Your U prime is fine. Oh, your DVDX, something missing. Come on, Aditya. Oh, come on. Don't forget your onion, your chain rule. Your chain rule is being forgotten here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just add something here. Yes. Yeah, no. No. Absolutely. Your the differentiation of the inside, right? Nice, much better. Thank you very much. Ainesh, are you back?
Hello.
Yes, Ainesh. Okay, now I can hear. Good. So far so good. Have you added that into your notes, which is getting crampier and crampier? Have you added that?
Actually, do I need to?
Well, the question is, would you remember that OH minus becomes O2 and H2O?
Oh no, I wouldn't. Okay.
Right. So at least write something. You will need it anyway. It
Yeah.
is something you need. So do write it down, even though it's crampier and crampier. It is already a feat itself to write this whole thing in one page. That itself is a feat. So I guess that's good.
Yeah.
So Aditya, you might be trying to simplify things. Okay, that's a -6. Okay, that's nice. Yeah. What happens to your x, Aditya? You're missing one x. That's a -6x.
-6x, because yeah.
Where's your -6x? That's only -6.
It multiplies? No?
Let me get it straight. The x to the power of half is the u, right? The u, right? Yeah. The v prime contains -6x, right? The v prime. What happened to it? What happens to it?
It multiplies with this and becomes this.
Well, no. At least I believe that's a no. Let me clarify with you. In which page would that be? That would be page 9 still. I mean this guy. Where did this guy go? Where is it here? I don't see that at all.
Yeah.
Let me get this a few things clear. Yeah. So this x half is this guy, right?
Yep.
So where did this x go? Sorry, I'm not getting it. I'm really not getting it. Where did the x go?
So it becomes -6x to the power half.
Which totally does not make sense. Like where is this x? Where is that? I don't get it. Where is that x?
Oh, that x. Oh.
Hello. Yes, hello. Now you can combine them if you want to lah.
So it becomes 3.
That's nice. Thank you very much. How did this become 3? Okay. Oh, okay. No, stop doing that. Oh, your Indies is going to come back and haunt you, Aditya. Yeah. This one I'm currently very sure. Look, in Indies, the most basic rule is this: if your power is not the same or your base is not the same, you cannot combine them. Your teacher have never said that to you, lah. So Let me repeat this. If your power is not the same or your base is not the same, either one, there is nothing you can do to combine them. Now, look at this guy. And look at that guy. Are their power the same?
No.
Are their base the same?
No.
So you are combining them. Absolutely wrong already. You're like, no, like now you're making a mistake after the differentiation. That's really your, you can say your sec 3 math haunting you back. You cannot do anything. You cannot. Just leave them there. Just leave them there, okay? Because we know that you cannot do anything. You don't seem to be convinced, isn't it?
Wait, your voice is slightly breaking up.
Did you hear him? You cannot do anything. You know, because the product and the power is not the same and the base is not the same. So there is nothing that we can do.
Yeah.
So leave them there, leave them be, so to speak.
Okay.
Right? There is something else that you can do, but you know, let's settle the in this properly first. Ainesh, what is the B question? Right, I'm praising you, right? But don't let it get over your head. Okay, what's the answer for A part 2?
I was putting it inside the notes I'm doing before.
Okay. Right, yeah, let's leave it there for now, Aditya. Yeah? I would like you to see another product rule and hopefully you can do it correctly by yourself.
Okay.
I forgot that you wear glasses. Right?
My eyes were a bit tired, so
Feel free.
for a minute.
Feel free. In part A, oxidation is OH minus is technically losing electrons. Probably don't use technically in your presentation. But if you say that OH is losing electron, I'm gonna test you on this. I cannot see from your reaction that OH minus is losing electron. What are you talking about? Okay, could you answer that?
I mean, it's losing electrons
Because no, I'll get straight to the point, because we don't have much time. Why don't you at least write down the redox numbers and prove that one?
Oxidation numbers. Okay, yeah, sure.
So maybe that's just a reliable way to answer anybody, so to speak. So please try that and prove it, Okay. Nice, Aditya, nice. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, good idea, good.
Wait, so it's not oxidation.
Can I see the redox number, please? Use your mouse if you need to. Okay. Can I please see that? It's a good practice anyway, right? What do you mean by oxidation number -4? What do you mean by that?
Oh no, that doesn't make any sense.
Come on, man. You please check your redox. -3.
That's reduction.
Ainesh, oxidation number is for each atoms. For each atoms. Don't say things like OH minus has an oxidation number. No, O has an oxidation number and H has an oxidation number. Your redox is getting wonky again.
But The reaction in part A is of several things.
Oh, goodness me. Oh, goodness me. Yeah, redox is wrong here again. What is the oxidation state of the H?
+1.
What is the oxidation state of O?
-2.
The whole thing is -1. Does that compute?
Yeah.
So why don't you just say that, right? Because you know this. What is the oxidation state of H here? Oh, you're thinking too much already. Oh, goodness me. Oh, stop thinking too much. Oh, sorry?
+8.
Oh, stop thinking too much, man. Your note says most of the time, 99% of the time, H with somebody else, H will donate, right? Electrons will become +1. Don't your note say that?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Whatever redox number is just that whether you donate or you greedily take other people's electrons. So in the O here, is he being greedy or is he donating? Come on, greedy or donating?
Oh.
Oh,
He's giving. He's taking.
so the oxidation state is?
Oh,
you're thinking too much.
-4. -2.
Right, -2, just say that. How can O take 4 anyway, right?
Yeah.
The total charge of H2O is? Total charge. Total charge. Come on, total charge.
-1.
Oh, goodness me. When you write H2O, do you put a minus or a plus sign?
I put
You put nothing, right?
no
H2O. Going on, I think. H2O has a charge or? H2O has you have to think, right? H2O has a charge.
It doesn't. 0 charge.
Yeah, it declares itself as 0 charge. He declared itself clearly that this is +1 times 2, right? Because there's 2 of them, and this is -2 times 1. There's 1 of them. Does that compute?
Yeah.
Now, what's making you write -8? What's going on there? What is going on here? Why do you keep falling to that trap? What is your thinking? I don't get it, Ainesh, but I know that it should worry you. It really feels like you're overcomplicating something. It has always felt like that.
That's
your O2, what is the oxidation state?
-2.
-4. It's 0.
What?
This O2. O2 is O with O. Right?
Yeah.
One is greedy, the other one is equally greedy. So, can they take from each other?
I don't know what's going on anymore. But yeah, I think it's 0, yeah.
Finish? What's your most precious possession?
My precious possession.
Yeah, your most precious possession.
Don't know.
Could you maybe name something?
My family.
Your family is your most precious possession, right? Now, I am so greedy, I try to take your family from you. Having my own family is not enough. I think a son is not enough. I am greedy, so I take your family from you, and I'm stronger than you, so you cannot resist me taking it from you. Right, so far so good? So far so good?
Yeah.
Right, and that's a very sad thing. Now, let's say you meet your twin, which is Ainesh. Exact same thing, exact same family. If he tries to take your family from you, what happened?
Then I get angry.
Of course, yeah, I know, but will he be able to? Getting angry is fine, totally fine. But when you are getting angry at me, okay, let's say I'm stronger than you, I will still be able to take it from you. And you'll be angry and sad because you cannot stop me from doing it. Understand? I'm not just greedier, I'm also stronger. Okay, but Twin Ainesh, let's call him evil Twin Ainesh, is in every respect the same with you. He tries to take your family for himself. Will he be able to do that?
No,
And why is that not able to do?
because there is nothing to steal.
I'm not trying to get philosophical here, right?
Confused.
He's trying to take your iPhone. Will you be able to defend or not? Will evil Ainesh be able to take your iPhone from you?
No,
Because
it's me.
what does that mean?
Can't take it from me since you already have.
I'm not being philosophical here, right? Can your brother take your iPhone from you?
Yeah.
He can? Really? He can? Really?
I mean, no, you can't.
Why can't he?
Because I'm stronger.
Yeah, simple, right?
Yeah.
And will Ainesh be able to take from Ainesh?
No,
Because
we are the same.
you're equally strong. O and O, both are equally greedy and both are equally strong. Will anybody be able to take from anybody?
No.
So therefore, the oxidation state for both is
Nothing.
zero.
Yeah.
This is the fourth time or the fifth time that I'm repeating to you. I am clashing against your concept. I don't mind clashing with you 10 times. My problem is that if you bring your concept to exam, I think you will be wrong. Wrong. Do we still need to clash, Ainesh? If we need to clash, we clash. If not, upgrade your node. Either one should happen. Do we clash more in the future or do you upgrade your node? That's up to you. But what is your decision right now?
I'm gonna upgrade my notes.
Okay, then answer the question later.
Yeah.
I'm going to make a call to Aditya. Aditya is suddenly missing. Both of his devices are suddenly missing. Um, hmm. Where are you updating it? Ainesh, where are you updating it?
In the notes.
Which note? Because you have your own Redox notes, right? I don't see you in your own Redox. You're updating it in the electrolysis question, really?
No.
Aren't your Redox notes on page 10?
No, I have it on a separate, like not in a Jamboard.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Actually, no, it does make sense. So wait, hold on. I'll just update in the Jamboard.
There's a page 10, right? I mean, if page 10 is useless, please
Nah,
delete it, man.
Never
Please delete it, man.
I'll just write it over here instead.
Okay, right. If it is useless, then, we don't refer to it anymore, right? Let me get what you're writing, Ainesh. You're saying that the 4 in front is not
Not
important,
important in oxidation number when I'm calculating oxidation.
but the number below, the small numbers below, is important.
The small numbers.
H2O, for example, H2O, there's a number 2, which is small down there, right? H2O. Does that guy matter?
No. Wait.
Yeah, I phrase it very ambiguously. Does it matter or not?
Right. Yeah. Can you be a bit more specific with the question first? Like, I think it does not matter.
Never mind. We'll see it in action. We'll see it in action. We'll see. Depending on what you mean, it may be right, it may be wrong. Now, is this all you want to write?
Yeah. But
okay. Right. So let's make it to the question because we are almost running out of time. Let's go back to the question and he asks you, please show whether it is oxidation or reduction. We go through all the oxidation state. Have we shown that this is an oxidation or reduction? There are only 2 atoms type here, right? O and H, correct or not?
Yeah, so just to be specified if it's okay, yeah.
Did something happen to H?
No.
Right, +1 to +1. Did something happen to O?
No.
Come on, it's a yes and a no.
Yes.
It's a yes and a no, and the yes is the important part. So what happened to yes?
It went from -2 to 0.
So is that an oxidation or reduction?
Oxidation.
Yeah. Of course, your reasoning was correct, but this is a foolproof method to answer the teacher. If you say this is losing electron, you are correct, but I hope you will get your redox state correctly and settle everything. I'm not saying that you are wrong. No, you were correct.
Yeah.
I feel that this is just a much reliable way of answering. It kind of gives you more confidence. Even though I really like your phrasing of losing electron. I do, because it is correct. Right. We did not cover OChem, so we didn't go as far as we wanted, but your performance this tuition has been the best in a long time,
Mm.
I can only wish that you will continue to be like so, because it seems that you're happy if you do this.
I'm happy when I do chem mostly because it's just so much less trouble.
But you were very frustrating when you do chem.
Mm.
To me.
Yeah.
But today is okay. Today is okay. I'm praising you. Please don't let this get into your head. Please. Right? I'll see you tomorrow. Right? See you tomorrow. Okay. Good job for today, Adesh.
Good job.